Hey everyone, it is Coach Brenda Kelly here coming to you again just to share with you. In the month of August, we have been talking about organizing yourself, whether it be organizing your home, whether it be organizing your space, your office space, or your health, whatever it is, organizing yourself. That's what we're talking about. And today I want to talk about organizing your health. How do you organize your health? How do you get yourself on track as far as your health is concerned? Well, one of the things that I like to think about when it comes down to organizing myself and really getting myself on track is number one, assessing the situation, looking at where you are, looking at what you're doing right now at this moment. How am I taking care of myself? How am I flowing as it pertains to my health? Ask yourself the question, is what I'm doing working for me? How am I going about it? What are the problems? What are the medical issues that I have that I really need to tweak or I really need to work on, whether it be borderline diabetes, whether it be hypertension, whether it be I'm having pain issues, inflammation in my body, mental health issues, stress, whatever it is, really assess and see what the problem areas are so that you know how to tackle them. So that is number one. Assess the situation, see where you are before you get started. The next thing I would say is to talk to my physician. Really take some time, get lab work done, find out really where you are, because you can't really tackle it until you know where you are. So get some lab work done. I always say lab work tells a story. It tells you where you are. It tells you there's labs to tell you if you have inflammation. There's labs to tell you if your kidneys are not functioning right. There's labs to tell you if you're borderline diabetic, if you are in early signs of congestive heart failure. There is lab work to tell you where you are. So get that done and sit down with your doctor and talk about the problem areas. Where do I need to improve? For me, I just recently went to my doctor this week and I had some labs done since I've been working on my weight. And one of the things that I talk about in one of my other videos is about the EGFR, the estimated glomerular filtration rate. And that is the kidneys. It's all about the kidneys. And all that I've read about it is that once your kidneys are going down, you cannot reverse it. But my kidney function was at a rate of 81, and at my age, it should be about an 89. And when I had my labs done this time, it went from 81 to 87. So what normally the books say that it can't be reversed. Once it's gone, it's gone. I beg to differ. Drinking my water, watching my blood pressure, my A1C is good. So these things, the A1C and your blood pressure contribute to good kidney function. So I encourage you and let you know, even if yours has been going down, that I'm a witness that it can be reversed. All you have to do is start eating right, taking care of yourself, really focusing in on what you're doing, and improvement can happen. So I would sit down once I get my labs and talk to my doctor about where I am and see, if you can come up with some ideas of some things to improve your health. After that, number 3 is set clear goals. Not the doctor's goals, but set goals of what you want to see happen. And if someone else sets goals for you, you may or may not do them. But when you set the goal, even if the goal is just that I'm going to drink water and I'm going to get 4 Say you say, I'm going to drink 4 cups of water every single day. That may not be much to one person, but to you, that's more because you may have been just drinking maybe 2 a day. So if you increase that by 2 cups, that is wonderful. So don't set a goal according to what your friends are doing or how far I'm walking or someone else is running. Don't set a goal for something that you haven't been doing. Set small, consistent goals, things that you are going to do and that you know that you can do, and then work yourself up. Determine what you want to do, whether it's losing weight, whether it's tackling a chronic condition that you have, that maybe you have some arthritic pain. One of your goals may be for that, lose a couple pounds so that you can get some of that weight off of your body. And when you decrease in your weight, it'll improve and it'll decrease that pain a little bit. So whatever those things are that you want to do, make a decision and set clear goals of what you want to do. Not what someone else is doing, but what you want to do, because you will stick with it. So those are 3 things that I encourage you to do. Is number 1, really focus in and assess where you are. Assess where you are. Number 2 is talk to your doctor, get your lab work, and really see what it is that you want to do. Discuss it with your doctor. Let him know what you want, him or her know, and then set clear goals for yourself. You know, organizing yourself in your health, it is easy to do once you make your mind up. It's all about a mindset of I want to do something to improve my health. And in order to do it, I have to organize myself. I have to make a decision and start moving on that decision. To live well, it's all about a mindset of changing what you're doing now and taking steps towards a healthy lifestyle. It can be done. I'm a witness to it. So I want to encourage you, step out and start to organizing yourself, building a healthy lifestyle plan for yourself. Changing the way you've been doing things. Try something new and improved. And I tell you, once you do it, once you start, it'll become a part of you. It's an everyday lifestyle change, all right? So have an amazing rest of your day. And remember, start organizing yourself. Don't wait. Do it today. Take care.